Oh, and Aaron Goldstein, you're running the video camera. The next guest from In and Out Collision Center, Harry, Art, and Varden. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Chris.
And you bet. You're brand new chamber members. In fact, when is the ribbon cutting? Next week or 2 weeks?
It's June 13th at 3:30.
June 13th at 3:30. And where is In and Out?
We are located 45024 Trevor Avenue between I and Lancaster Boulevard.
Gotcha. And that's a good place for, do you have enough room there?
Too much room.
Really?
Pretty big shop, yes.
Oh yeah, and when you have a big space, you have to make all of that space
Yeah.
earn money.
Exactly.
So what's your background in the repair business?
Well, in the repair business, we started this in North Hollywood, actually, so we do have a second location. And we work with Enterprise, Kemper, and Western General Insurance Companies.
Wow, so they keep you busy.
Oh yeah, they do. They do keep us busy.
So I just have to ask, because I'm a florist, but when I was trying to figure out what I was going to do, I worked in a auto body store up in Taft, California. So for a month or two. Are you just repairing cars in this zip code, or you bring things up here to work on them because there's more space?
Well, sometimes we do get packed down in North Hollywood because that location has been there a lot longer. So we do, get a tow truck, tow them over here, trying to help out that location while we try to grow our business here.
And what do you think about the Antelope Valley?
I actually, besides the long drive and heat,
Yeah.
it's not that bad.
Yeah, you need to do that drive. It's called a reverse commute. So
Yeah.
you're coming up in the morning.
Oh yeah,
when
it's
every-
great. That's one of the things that I liked. I actually used to work in Santa Monica, and it's only a 17.5-mile drive, but it took me 4 hours.
To get from the valley to Santa Monica.
Because
Wow.
everyone's going to Santa Monica. for
Yeah,
work.
and there's only the 405 and
Yeah,
a
and
couple of
60 miles to come this way, it takes me 45 minutes.
Yeah, so even though it's a long drive, it's you're enjoying it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Take your sunglasses because sometimes the sun is coming up.
Oh, I do. Now I just need to buy a convertible.
I bet one will come in that you won't be able to let go of. So it's a family-owned business.
Yes, it is a family-owned business. The gentleman, he came in, he started the business, and then I came in. I was trained by the gentleman that works over there. His name is Juan. And now I am the manager in this location over here.
And Varden's your son?
No?
I was trying to think, what's the...
Two brothers and a nephew.
Very good. So it is all family.
Yes.
Which means you can work like crazy and just, you can't complain.
We
No,
are.
I can't.
And so in your business, what does customer satisfaction look like?
Well, customer satisfaction, when you drop off your vehicle to us, we see it as our own personal vehicle. And our personal vehicle, we want it to be perfect. The way it was when it was sold from the dealer.
Right.
That's
So-
how we see it as. We commit ourselves to excellence because when someone is involved in an accident, it's already a stressful time. We understand. We've all been through it. It's not fun. So we try to do our best to make it, I guess you could say, smooth sailing for the customer.
Uh-huh.
Simple things like, if a customer would come in, let's say the accident is in the rear. We see that there's certain things here and there that are not working properly, like let's say a light bulb.
Yeah.
Simple things just to replace it without even a charge, just something nice
Yeah. Right.
to do for someone.
Yeah.
And when you see their reaction, like you didn't have to do it, but you did,
Yeah.
kind of makes us feel better.
You know, me as a customer, I go, there's somebody that's like, really, they're 100%. They're not just like, oh, you got a scratch, but they just kind of look at the whole car.
Yeah.
The person, the customer, the car, the situation. Hey, you got a light bulb out.
Yeah. But we'll take care of it, no charge to you.
And you
Yeah.
do painting too.
Yes, we do.
That's kind of the expensive part of the business, isn't it?
Very expensive and very crucial.
Oh yeah, it's got to match.
Oh yeah.
There's only, what, 3 blues in the whole world?
Oh, there's a lot of blues.
A lot of blues.
There's
I
a lot of
think,
blues.
see things going down the road. Gold. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, but see now people when they see a black car, they're like, oh, it's just black, but it's not, because there's a black that has blue, that has red, it has brown, it has
Yeah.
yellow, it has purple,
Yeah.
all these metallics, And you know, we have the tools. It's a special flashlight actually that when it shines the light onto the paint, you can actually see everything.
Oh, I don't want
And-
that flashlight. I just want to go out in the sun and it all looks the same.
Yeah, well, see, that actually helps us match the color. That's the best part.
Special tool.
Yeah, special tools. You need them.
What other kind of special tools?
Well, one of the other biggest special tools that we have is a frame machine, which is also very handy when it comes to heavy hitters, especially frame damages.
Yeah.
Yeah, frame damages. We have frames that were built to collapse in on each other, so there'll be less force on the customer. But when it cramples, it's kind of hard to bring that back. But when you have the correct tools and the gentleman that actually went through the schools, because we do have ICAR certificates
Right.
for certain things when it comes to hybrid vehicles or framing, estimating programs, a whole bunch of stuff.
See, this is good stuff because this is what people are looking for.
Yeah, it's actually kind of fun too.
Can they come over and just kind of look around or take a tour or get an estimate or?
Oh, well, they
you
can
look
come
at-
in for an estimate, yes.
Yeah.
We don't charge for estimates. We're glad to help them. We even give them advices, you know, if they would like to go with original parts, which we work with a lot of dealers, or we also work with LKQ, so we can get aftermarket parts where it's a little bit more on the affordable side, because OEM parts do get really expensive.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, ridiculous.
And everything's got to be replaced.
Yeah. Yeah, well, one time I think it was for a Nissan Versa, I was trying to buy just the seat frame, metal mechanical frame, not
Yeah.
powered.
Yeah.
Cost me $3,000.
Wow. I'm thinking that didn't happen at a fender bender. That was a big collision.
No, the rail got stuck, and unfortunately, they don't sell them separately.
Wow.
Yeah,
So some people would just get it into a certain position and live with it.
pretty much. Sometimes some people do it like that, or some people they just say change it. But of course, we try to find alternate ways to fix these things, so
Yeah.
that we don't have to spend the money.
So you've got a paint warranty,
Yes.
and then you've got different tools for paint.
Mm-hmm.
Talked about the framing. What is ICAR certification?
Certification. Well, ICAR is a class. It certifies you in bodywork, painting, electrical vehicles, framing, programs. It teaches you basically how to work on cars. And you go, you take the class, you learn, and then you get the certificates based on your ending test results.
You have friendly staff?
Yeah, we do have a friendly staff. The first thing when a new employee came in, just as they told me,
Mhm.
this is our family. We got people coming in, we tell them, the first thing I tell them, we're all family here. So if a family needs help, you help them. So your position is not, oh, you're just a body man, you're gonna just fix cars and that's what you do.
Yeah.
Get in, help other people, in their position, like if you have nothing to do and the car wash guy has a lot of cars to wash, hop in and help.
We're washing cars today.
I would jump in and help as well.
Yeah, because there's like 3 customers in the waiting room going, as soon as my car gets washed, I get to go
No.
on with life. So
Yeah.
when's it going to be done?
Exactly.
My car.
And
My car
there's-
first, right?
Yeah, there's always those situations.
My car first.
Your car's always first.
It came in yesterday, but it needs to go out first.
Yeah.
No?
I get those a lot.
And did we talk about OEM? Those are the,
Original parts. Original manufactured parts.
yeah.
We specialize in that. We already work with dealers. We try to also learn their parts. The good thing about our estimating program, which is Mitchell, it shows a really blown out screen of everything. So if I would want to, let's say, work on the front bumper, it gives me a big display of the front bumper and all the pieces that are involved in that section.
Yeah, the hidden brackets.
Yeah, the hidden brackets, the
And
hidden
that's-
sensors.
Yeah. And are there some parts of the car that need a special tool?
The heads, yes, because it could be we call them star heads or T,
Yeah.
which is sometimes very difficult to buy. Snap-on sells them, but they're pretty expensive as well.
Of course.
Everything is.
Everything's
But at least they
expensive.
have lifetime warranty.
The tools do.
The tools do.
And you work with the best. What was the decision to join the chamber?
The decision to join the chamber, well, we wanted to grow. This is one of the things here, because we're coming out here in Lancaster, it's kind of new to us too.
Mhm.
So we decided to join the chamber, trying to get to know the community more, and just help out the community as well, especially when it comes to their cars, because that's like one of the most touchy subjects.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a small town, but there's 500,000 people.
Yeah.
Crazy, huh?
It's great.
Yeah, well, you've got a great location right in the middle of the valley. You're close to Avenue Y, which is the freeway, so you don't need to have 6 locations.
No.
Probably 2's enough. That's enough places to go to in the morning.
Oh yeah.
How long have you been open?
We've been open for about 3 months.
3 months in the Antelope Valley.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's the summertime.
Yes, and I'm starting to experience the heat a little bit.
So is the auto body and paint business, is that a seasonal business or?
No, we're
All the
open
time?
All the time. As a kid growing up, I went to Van Nuys High School and I had auto shop. I love cars, and I don't think I can work anywhere else that doesn't involve cars. It's just I take it very passionately. Like when I write an estimate, I make sure that it is exactly what needs to be done. It's like writing poetry for me.
Yeah. You still learn things every once in a while?
Oh yeah, you learn things every day. It's great though. It's a business that you will always learn because I've actually, when I worked at a dealership, I actually went to a factory and saw how these robots built these cars.
Yeah.
And when I look at my guys, when they work, when it comes to cutting a quarter pound and putting it on, these guys, they do what robots do.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
But a little more artistic.
A little bit more. We're better.
So what's going to happen at the ribbon cutting on June 13th?
Well, we're going to invite everyone over.
And is that a Wednesday?
I think that is a Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday at 3:30, we're going to have everyone come over, we're going to cut the ribbon, and we're just going to show you guys around. We're going to have food and drinks, and just show everyone what the shop is about. It's going to be fun.
It is going to be fun. So, new chamber members, we've been talking with Harry and Art and Varden from In and Out Collision Center, and you're over on Trevor and Avenue Y, 45024 Trevor, Lancaster, California. Thanks for being on the show.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
You bet.